We talked before about the desire for a more powerful outsourcing model, right, or more value laden outsourcing value proposition, and you described your outsourcing 2.0 approach. Can you describe a customer example where you have achieved that level of value using your approach?
Absolutely. One example that comes to mind is a vendor of a very large healthcare system. The platform upon which that system had been built had been obsoleted by the vendor. So their goal was not specifically outsourcing, but their very business was at risk.
Yeah.
And they needed to rebuild the platform on a more modern architecture, on hardware, and a platform that was going to survive for a while. And simultaneously with that, obviously, they had their own business goals of growing the business.
Sure.
So this was an extremely difficult situation for them. They came to us and were able to accomplish it, and it was a very large distributed project that involved, at the peak of execution, well over 150 people if you take, put all of the companies together for an extended period of time. Mm-hmm. And one would think that, the perception of sort of these agile, extreme programming, Scrum methodologies only applies to small, programming teams, small projects, right, where people are sitting in the same room, and you basically slide the pizza under the door and wait for the result. But we were able to scale it and prove the fact that this is a superior approach for large enterprise scale grown-up projects, and we're able to deliver. And we've replicated that in a number of cases since then. And as you mentioned, at this point, this is being really looked upon as the next big thing to hit IT. And I think it's a very right thing to focus on, because there are lots of engineers, lots of methodologies, lots of smart people that know how technology works. But organizing it in a way that delivers results is quite a different matter.
Yeah, that's very
And that's
true.
really what we think Outsourcing 2.0 is about. Okay. And that's really what our specialty is.